Hello everyone, I want again to welcome all of you to this other new lesson. Remember, we are still discussing about different specialized interpreting situations, and in the last three we have talked about different interpreting situations, and we are also going to focus on another one. Of course, we still have three more to go. So we'll talk about the oral interpreting. From the word oral, or we call it transliterating interpreting situation. So we say oral translator or the oral interpreter. Facilitate, of course, a spoken communication between individuals who are deaf or hard of hearing, and use speech and speech reading as their primary mode of communication. And of course, other persons. We're talking about those who are hard of hearing, and they can be able to use speech or speech reading as their primary mode of communication. So when we have such like situations, interpreting situations, we need the oral interpreters. So for this case, what we mean is that the oral interpreter silently mouth a sentence to the deaf or hard of hearing person, of course changing words or phrases as needed to ones, of course, that are easier to speech read. So oral translator or interpreters may also, of course, voice in such like situations for speakers who use no voice. So we as interpreters, we can be able to voice for such speakers who use no voice or whose voice are difficult for listeners to understand. There are those speakers whom you'll never hear what they are saying. You'll never understand. So in such like situations, we need an oral interpreter to perform this task. So meaning to say, at a certain point, you'll be required to voice or to sign. So you have to get prepared on such like events. So make sure you practice this knowledge we are sharing, so that you are able to get it the way it's expected. We are going again to discuss other two, of course, specialized interpreting situations in the next two lessons. See you.